Hi, ni hao, I'm Chef Tom. Preheat the skillet, a little bit vegetable cooking oil. We're gonna make something simple, healthy, homemade stir-fried chicken with vegetable. First, I'm gonna cook the cold chicken first. We want to warm up the chicken before we add other ingredients. You can cook this dish, substitute different kind of protein. Pork, tender, or beef, or shrimp. But every time you cook something stir fry, you want to cook, warm up the protein first. It's much easier to cook, and you want to control the heat. We need heat to cook for Asian or Chinese stir fry. Now the chicken is warming up. It's a very easy, simple, quick meal you can make at home. Okay, now I'm going to add the vegetable. Any kind of vegetable that you have. Here I have green onion, water chestnut, bamboo shoot, shiitake mushroom, bell pepper. You mix it up all the time. And I'm going to add some ginger and garlic. I put it on my pork, my pork, so it's kind of like frozen. It's okay. Ginger and garlic in. Smell amazing. You see how wonderful the stir fry is? Beautiful color. There's no water coming out because I keep the skillet nice and hot. To evaporate the water. Okay. For some of you, if you like to add some cooking wine, a little wine, a dash of wine, will enhance more flavor, which is good. But for me, I'm just gonna add a little water, just a tiny little bit, like maybe an ounce. A pinch of salt, not much, like that, good enough. A dash, and a little black pepper, not much, just like that. Sesame oil, not much, just a little bit, like that. Keep that cooking. That's it. Your simple stir-fried chicken with vegetable. Just a simple ginger garlic flavor with some sesame oil. You see how I cook the chicken? Nicely done. Let me try a piece. Look at this chicken. Huh? And get a bell pepper. Like this. Wow. Seriously, so good. So easy and light. Very light. Ginger, garlic flavor, salt, pepper. Take a bell pepper. Oh, bamboo shoots. Excellent. It's good to go. I hope you liked the video. I'm Chef Tom. Thank you for watching. I see you next time. Bye.